mood to make some more food for my Barbies. So I have another 100% extra small mini clay kit. Now, you know from the past, some of these have been good and some of them have some dried out clay. But I am excited for this one because it has an ice slushy and I really want to make that for my dolls. It also has cherry twist popcorn and 3D glasses. How cute would that look on a Barbie? Let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, there's even a tray. Okay, this one has got to be a win. Let's get this open. So stuck. Let's pull everything out. Okay, oh, the little tool was stuck. Okay, there's all of our clay. Oh no, the glasses might be too big for Barbie. There's the slushy, oh, and the cherry twist box. And of course, our instructions. Ooh, let's get this open. The clay seems pretty soft this time. I really hope that this one works and that it's not dried out. Let's shake, shake, shake. So we have yellow. It looks like cheese right now. White. Pink. That's a pretty pink. This blue and red. And then here, oh, there it is. There it is, guys. Look. Oh, I'm so excited. Come on out. Look at the little slushy cup. And it has the straw, the tray, and the little lid. This is really cheap. This one's like a lid you would actually get, but this is a nice little cup. And then, of course, they nicely cut this one out for us. The popcorn. And this is tissue, I guess. Okay, I want to make the slushy. That is what I have been waiting for. So it says, let's move some of this. Boop. We need pink and blue, and we are going to swirl them together. Let's cut this open. Please don't be dry. Please don't be dry. It's dry. It's dry. It's dried out. Okay. Blue. Blue looks a little mushier. Maybe we can just have a blue slushy. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. So far, it's just the pink. That's fine. We won't have a pink slushy. This one's not a complete fail. I can still use the blue. So, we'll just roll it up. Looks like it's starting to dry. Do you see that? Oh, it's so good. And stick it in our cup. Did I make it too big? I made it too big. Oh, this one's still stringy. Okay. It's going to look all boring one color. Maybe we should add some red. Let's add some red. I know the red is supposed to be for the Twizzler stuff. But let's add. Oh, the red is starting to dry out. I just bought these. Don't do this to me. Ooh, this is looking cute. Disappointed with the pink, though. There's some red, and then let's put some more blue. What do you think? I like that idea. I think my dolls, whoops, are going to really like having their own icy. And then a bit more red. Guess I need a bit more red. Okay. There. Oh, look at how good that looks. Now, where's our little lid? There's our lid. Oh, it snaps on. Okay, we got to put our straw. We have to put our straw. Okay. I think we should have stuck the straw in before we put all this stuff in. There. Now we can just, it's still a really long straw. Maybe we put some more. Give it a little mountain peak like you would when you actually get an icy. Okay, guys. That is cute. I think the slushy or the icy slush alone is worth it for this kit. Now let's cut this out. This is so cute. I gotta put the label. I really wish that these things would come already cut out. Or if they gave them as stickers, because now we need to glue it. So let's get our glue. Oh, and it tells you, glue. That's helpful. Oops. Not a very crafty day today. I keep dropping everything. Okay, let's go. Icy slush, icy slush. Oh no, you know what? When I put that on, oh, it's gonna cover. That's okay. Look at how cute that looks complete. My Barbies are going to absolutely love having an icy slush. Let's move this dried out pink and put it there. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's try popcorn because my Barbies don't have popcorn. So this one is already cut out and it actually tells you where to put the glue. So we'll fold it. Fold it. See, why can't they do this with the other ones? And fold it. It would be so nice if everything came like this. Let's put the glue. Just got glue all over my fingers. And more glue. I think ideally you would use... Did I do that right? Ideally you would use... I am making a mess. White glue. That's right, the bottoms never seal. Okay. All right, well, gonna need some tape. There we go. There's our popcorn bag. Now if I can get my finger out without sticking it. Okay, well, good enough. There's our popcorn bag for our movie. Now let's make popcorn for Barbie. So we need white, yellow, roll it together, and then we're going to make, it's going to be buttered popcorn. Okay, now I'm in. There's the white. Oh, nice. This one's still good. And let's do the yellow. This is amazing. We can use both of them. Perfect. So let's roll this one's really stringy. Look at that. And the white. The white's not as stringy. Isn't that interesting? Okay. So let's get a big blob of white and a big blob of yellow. And then it says to roll them into, well, you know, this one's so sticky. A line, and then roll the white into a line, and then what? Then we roll them together. That part broke. Okay. Roll them together. This looks easier on the package. The cool thing is you can keep the instructions and use them for polymer clay or other air-dried clay. Then we take our little knife tool, cut and roll, and we should have look at, there's yellow on me. It looks like a white and yellow circle. This does not look like popcorn. Let's try to make it smaller because it's for Barbie. All right, well, I think it needs some texture. And we'll just throw it in the bag. Roll them up, throw them in the bag. Well, ew, this one's really stringy. This one's so stringy. I think I think I'm most excited about the icy cup and the 3D glasses, but these are going to be really big on Barbie. They might fit, but they're going to... That yellow's everywhere. Ugh. And even the cherry twisties, which are basically Twizzlers, and all you're doing on those ones is taking a little bit of red. The red is really not as stretchy. Oh, I don't know if the clay has, or the Model Magic is starting to go. I don't know. You roll it like that and stick it in the box. It doesn't look like licorice to me. Does the instruction say anything different? Oh, you twist it. Okay, so you're supposed to twist it. But when I twist it, I think the red and the yellow are just too sticky, and our pink has just completely dried out. But I would buy this again just for this little cup. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let me know. Would you buy this extra smalls, or would you just make this out of some other clay to make it better? It's worth it for the little printables to me and the icy cup. But again, this is now not the first one that I've had dry clay, so I don't know if I'm going to keep buying these to try them out. Well, that's it, guys. Here's my icy. I'll see you next time. Bye.